If I were a bird, I would sing a song and fly about the whole day long. And when the night comes, I would go to rest up in my cozy little nest.
If I were a bird. Hi kids! Do you guys dream? Yes, we all do. This is a story of a little boy who has a beautiful dream. He wishes to be a bird in his dream. Yes, a bird. Have you all seen the bird? It flies up in the sky. It has wings. This little boy is so excited. He has a dream of being a bird. If he becomes a bird, he would sing a beautiful song. He would have wings. He would fly up in the sky. He would fly up right, left, anywhere. It would be such a beautiful life. He would slide over the rainbow. Yes, a colorful, beautiful rainbow. It would be such a good day. He would touch the sky. He would sit on the clouds. He would say hi to the birds. What a fun! Look, now Mr. Sun goes down. It means it is going to be night time. Do you know who is the little boy's best friend? It is Mr. Moon. Look, Mr. Moon is coming out. The boy would slide down to his cozy, cozy nest. La, 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 la. What a fun! He would have been flying all day. He would want to rest. Oh, look at his cute small nest. It must be so cozy in there. It is his family time now. We all love to spend time with our families, don't we? Look at the little boy. He's way too happy. He would have the most wonderful day ever. It would be his dream day. Yeah. And look, he's singing something. Can you all hear that? Yes. Come, friends, let us sing along. He sleeps off.